Hello from 3D Institute. Guys, please subscribe. Let's start with AI architecture. So I hope these fast-forwarded videos make sense and that you kind of got the grasp of how things are working. Now we can just go slowly. And I can explain in this Night Cafe Studio kind of AI social platform where you have different kind of AI algorithms to play with. And so we can, for all of these that I was using the stable one, and DALL-E is an OpenIA open, so we can try. In general, they work in the same principle. You enter something that you want to see, and then the algorithm takes a lot of images that can find like relatable to what you wrote, and then compose a final image based on the inputs we're going to provide. And these inputs can be like, I mean, it's a whole new level of playing with the like AI, with the artificial intelligence, where you need kind of to understand how this program thinks, and according to that, to navigate the AI towards the image that you really want to see. So we can try doing a small hospital futuristic architectural design. So this, so like there's so many things to be added. As I said, parameters in other algorithms. You can use different couple of prompts, but here on OpenAI you can just use one. So I'll add some more stuff that are usually added: 8K resolution, hyper detail, amazing, stunning, beautiful, or whatever. Yeah. So the more kind of a things you add and stuff. So here we can have like 4 images or just one, and the credits you kind of pay for the rendering, like it's kind of a cloud rendering, right? You get them through doing some stuff, posting stuff on social media, and or you get the pro, the resolution too. So everything, the more calculation the program needs to do, it's going to be more expensive in this credit. So let's go with 4 images and medium resolution. Yeah, just so you can kind of we're gonna you're gonna see what is the result. So here, for example, add modifiers, you already have a lot of kind of things that you can see what other people are using on Night Cafe favorites. So you can pick different kind of art styles. You can represent architecture in different art styles. But it's like I used all along, like this architectural design render stuff, because it's kind of a reference to general architectural projects. But you can like introduce a lot of different kind of things. I don't know, like 3D shading, 3ds Max. So like it's just it's crazy. All these past videos I was doing like very basic stuff, but you can just add some stuff. Just let's see what's gonna happen. And yeah, I mean, yeah, he asked me because I have only 4 credits left and we're gonna spend them. Now it's gonna be running for some time. But anyways, like yeah, it's done. So okay, this is like futuristic hospital, like and it looks so good because I added that kind of those modifiers. You're gonna see a significant difference when you use like a word beautiful, stunning, amazing, or but then again, the concept of beautiful is yeah, so very relevant, and that's why you go through all these modifiers and play around and actually learn how this program works. But it's not like this program collects as much images as possible from all over the web, all different kind of databases, and it's one letter, I guess, one small change in what you write can change what you're gonna get. This is like I asked for some crazy school design, and I mean, yeah. So this is a big question. Yeah, what's gonna, for me, I discovered the technology a couple of days ago actually, and already played with it, and it's just right now I can imagine that all the kind of concepts and all the ideas going to be generated through AI, because people already, artists all around the world are using artists. Yeah, that's another thing. What's an artist? And you can create different kind of art. I mean, visuals. It's not an artwork; it's a visual. Eventually, a good eye will recognize as something AI. But then again, these kind of things really can serve, at least for the purpose of this exploring concepts. For architectural students or maybe even professionals, to explore certain concepts and try to find maybe something that's new or unique, or I don't know, because all of these images are original, are unique. Computer took a lot of data from different images to create these unique ones. So you're never gonna see this kind of museum. This kind of. I mean, there are similar. He took probably from different, a whole lot of different buildings and kind of merged them together. But in this merging process, some new things can also emerge, and that the results that are given and how it's all kind of combined and makes sense, it's just crazy. And it's made by a computer, and it's new, and it doesn't exist anywhere else. Who knows what kind of buildings? I asked for some museum, I guess, crazy museum exterior, although The museums are generally like classical buildings, so here he kind of had the match, so he probably, like for the same text, every time you're gonna get a different result. And that's why I like playing with the keywords, with how this AI work gonna make more, you're gonna get more familiar with how things work, and eventually create some really cool stuff. So what's the future of AI architecture? What's gonna happen with architecture and urban planning? What do you think? If you let's if you have some idea or some opinion, please share in the comments, subscribe and like. Yeah.